On this video, I'm going to be talking about the product that I use in clearing out my acne, my rashes. Yeah, sometime last 2 months, I had this issue of unexpected breakout that was as a result of the product that I used. Yes, so I was suffering from it. Actually, I did not know what to use, but I know that salicylic acid was very, very good for pimples, acne, because I know that the function of salicylic acid is to dry out pores, is to dry out pimples. Yeah, if you have pimples, make sure you make use of the product that contains salicylic acid. So when I was researching, I remember that Neutrogena products always or usually contain salicylic acid. Yes, I went ahead to purchase some products of Neutrogena. Okay, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys about three, yeah, about 3 to 4 products that I used on my face that actually help in clearing out my acne, my rashes, and the pimples that I had that was sometime last 2 months. So if this video sounds like what you've been expecting, just keep watching. So the first product that I used is this, a oil-free acne watch Neutrogena. Yes, of course, the active ingredient here is the salicylic acid that actually works for acne. So the salicylic acid is the main active ingredient. This face watch actually did about 40% of the job for me. Damming my face with a little quantity of water, then take a portion of this and massage it on my hands, then massage the ladder. So allow it for some seconds before rinsing it off with a clean water. That is usually the first step. I actually do not know the current price of this, but I know that the price should be about 5,000 upward. So the second product that I always use is the Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Facial Scrub. So I scrub my face with this twice every week. Mondays and Saturdays. Yes. So I scrub my face twice every week with this scrub that to allow whichever product I'm going to be using on my face to be able to work. If your pores are not open, there is no how the product you're using is going to work. So after scrubbing my face, I make use of my so this scrub is very, very effective. It is going to work for the past acne, the present, and even the future acne that might come. Like it's going to prevent the future acne that might pop up. So this scrub, or there is this other one that they said all in one. Yes, so I don't have it here with me, but I think it's somewhere here. So Neutrogena face scrub is very, very good. It's very, very nice. And it also contains salicylic acid. Yep. So this product also dry out your skin. That is more reason why you make use of this just twice in a week to avoid shrinking your face. So the third product that I use is the Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. This face toner is the real big deal. I'm going to be saying that this actually did about 50% of the job. Like this toner is very, very effective. When I mean very, very effective, this has always been my go-to. Anytime I have something like a small pimple or rashes on my face, this has always been my go-to all the time, anytime. I got this at the rate of 11,500 naira. So it's very, very expensive. So with that, I only make use of it when necessary. Whenever I have rashes or whenever I know that yes, unexpected premenstrual pimples has popped up, I make use of my rapid clear 2-in-1. Just the same way that the name implies, rapid clear. It works so fast. So let's read out the company promise about this product. Fight and Fade Toner, designed to reduce breakouts in the past hours. Yep. Plus, it fades the look of post-acne mark for a clearer, more even skin tone. This product, one thing I like about this product is that after using, like you're going to feel that yes, your pores are drying out instantly. I use this twice in a week, or I use it when necessary. It's not something you need to be using every day, except if your own acne is that, or is too obvious, or is too intense, okay, that is the only way you're going to be using this every day. This toner will also help to prevent future pimples, future rashes, future acne. Yes, to show you that this product is also effective because of the salicylic acid it contains. Most of just Neutrogena product I just listed now, it contains what we call AHA. AHA simply means the alpha hydroxyl acid, and alpha hydroxyl acid may actually increase your skin sensitivity. So if you're making use of this product, make sure you're topping it up, or you're incorporating it with a moisturizer, or you're incorporating it with a serum. Not just that, make sure after that, make sure you're making use of your SPF, your sunscreen, to avoid exposure to the sun that is going to lead to sunburn. So if you're using this product and working under the sun, make sure you're using your SPF because of the it's just the Neutrogena products. They are very, very good. They work so well, very, very effective to fight your oily skin, your oily face, your acne, your pimples, your rashes. Provided that what you're getting is the original of it, you're going to love the positive effect, positive result it's going to give you. I'm going to be ending this video right now. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button down below and subscribe to my channel. That is just it about the Neutrogena and how I was able to clear my acne. See you guys on my next one. Until then, bye.